Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all things chilling.
That's it, and from a long time ago.
It is.
So we are looking at the Royal Canadian Mints, the second in their Ice Age series, which is the Woolly Mammoth.
Yes.
We've had the Saber Tooth previously, which I think was quite a cool coin.
It was a very cool coin, but in Matt's words, a little cartoonish.
Yeah, so interesting to see. I have actually looked at the photos of this one, but interesting to see how this one looks on the coin itself. And I think this is
good.
Okay, you've seen it. All right.
A sneak preview.
But I think this was a series that kind of confused a few people because the Royal Canadian Mint kind of jumped from their Creatures of the North series to this Ice Age series, and kind of I think some people weren't quite sure of the crossover between, or the fact that the Creatures of the North series ended as quickly as it did. So it will be interesting to see if their Ice Age series gets a little bit more of a long run. We've got the Royal Canadian Mint tubes there.
Let's face it, there are more Ice Age creatures than there are Creatures of the North. So it's an easier series to actually find creatures on. But yeah, this will be a bigger series.
We've got the Royal Canadian Mint tubes there. Tubes of 14, these ones, and they're a 2-ounce coin.
They are, so you can see the chunky. Sorry, I've just turned it over.
That's all right.
You get that 2 ounce. It's on a slightly larger 1 ounce planchet almost, but because of that, you get quite a chunky coin, which is, I've said many times, is actually my favourite when they do that. And look, the Royal Canadian Mint have nailed it with this one. It's a beautiful coin.
Absolutely. You really get that sense of majesty and size there, I think, kind of stepping out of the rim almost there.
Yeah.
And also the tusks protruding out from it as well.
Yeah, so it's great. Even the background that you've got in there, the way they've created the background, it's actually very pretty, and it's got the detail on it. I'd love to see this in a 10 ounce or even a kilo coin.
Yeah,
I think it'd be stunning, this design. And then you've got the lines, the striations down, which are a bit of a security feature if anything else, but it kind of gives depth to the mirrored background, or the frosted background I should say. So I think they've done a great job with their, as they always do, their security features. They've got multiple security features over them.
Absolutely.
And then over the page, this is the first one with His Royal Highness on.
We haven't seen that before on this series, so interesting to see. And yes, yet another one of those series that kind of will have a split monarch.
Yes, absolutely will. So they are now available in store, online, over the phones, email, however you communicate with us, we can supply them. We do have capsules that these fit.
Hey.
So if you're ordering, 1, 2, 3, they'll probably come in a capsule. If you're ordering, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, chances are they'll come in a tube, buck naked and raw. But if you say, look, could you include a couple of capsules if we're sending them out or you're dropping past the store, absolutely, we're quite happy to give you a few capsules for them. That's no problem there at all. And there will be, I hope, I haven't talked to Ads yet, so I'm springing this on him, but there will be a bit of a discount if you're buying them by the tube or by the monster box. So there's, as Rube said, 14 in a tube, and I think it's $280. I'm trying to read upside down here. Yeah, it's $280 in a monster box if you're after a larger number.
Le Mammoth.
That's right.
Reading the French there.
I love how the Canadian stuff comes with English and French. It always makes me smile.
Yeah, it's always good.
So they are in stock. Speaking of things in stock, the Kilo Kookaburras.
Kilo Kookaburras have arrived.
Are in stock as well. So if you've been waiting on those, or if you want to order them, they are available right now as we speak.
Good stuff. Thank you very much, Michael. We will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See ya.